One of the biggest problems clinicians face when they treat shoulder complex disorders is to disassociate the scapulothoracic movement from the glenohumeral joint. Especially this is true when performing external rotation movements. It's very easy for the scapular motion to take over at the expense of the glenohumeral movement. So in this case, we want to stabilize the scapula in a pain-free position. So we'll look for a position that will enable external rotation in this case to be pain-free. Once we find that pain-free position, we'll stabilize the scapula, and then most of the movement will have to happen at the glenohumeral joint, which is exactly what we want to. So pull in the top belt, you can see the scapula rotating in this direction. Pulling on the bottom belt, the scapula will rotate towards the other direction. If you pull on both belts together, you will get protraction. If you pull on the belt from the other side and release these two, you'll get retraction. You might want to add a pillow or a wedge in the front so that you can really position the glenohumeral joint wherever it's needed. Once we're happy with the positioning, then we can add the active component, which is the resisted external rotation against an elastic resistance. Now this ATM, once again, can be performed 3 sets of 10 repetitions. And of course, in a pain-free environment. Once the ATM is completed, just let go. We can disconnect. And immediately reassess the movement. So in this case, external rotation, and you'd expect the body to actively stabilize the scapula significantly better than before.